Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Today I'm just sharing a journal, and this is for a swap that I'm hosting over on Junk Journal Junkies on Facebook. And this was a use your stash junk journal swap. So the requirements were for a no smaller than 7 by 5 and no bigger than 8.5 by 5, no 8 by 5.5, something like that anyway. So I made a 7 by 5 journal. I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs barking in the background. They all seem to start barking as soon as I start recording. Anyway, so I had a look into my stash to see what I could find, and one of the things that I did find was this faux leather material, which I'd bought ages ago and I never did use it. So I thought I would try making a faux leather cover. So this has quite a sturdy cover. I've put I just glued cardstock straight to this because it had a nice sort of backing on it as well. So it's 7 by 5, if I haven't already said that. 1 3/4 inch spine. I did the cheesecloth at the top and the bottom. It's just plain on the back. I did some stitching. On the front I did a little bit of layering. So I put some cheesecloth here. This was just a piece of Tim Holtz cardstock, and I backed that onto some tea-dyed paper. This was just a little piece of ribbon that I had left over from another project. So I ruffled that and sewed it. A little piece of Hessian, some sort of like cotton ribbon, and this is one of those Tim Holtz pins. And then this is a pocket. So this is a kit that I bought from Mike Deacon Art, and he is on YouTube. He does a lot of mixed media projects, but he also does journals. So I'll link his YouTube and his website where you can purchase these kits. So this was all about, this was like an entomology kit. So it has the moths, butterflies, in different insects. It has field notes there. So it could be sort of used as a nature journal. So I put some seam binding, which I've just wrapped around the cover. So it has 2 signatures. So I found this stamp at Hobbycraft, which is the stamp that I think everyone in the UK has been after. So you can get it in Hobbycraft anyway. I put a little bit of sari ribbon here, which I've sewn, and a couple of tags. There's a fabric on the inside spine to strengthen it. I've used some of the Tim Holtz wallflower paper. This is one of the altered flashcards that I made a few weeks ago. I did actually show a video on this. So that just has some sari silk sewn on there, piece of book paper, put some scrapbook paper at the back, lace, well, and I think there's a little piece of fabric under there. Then this is a piece from the Edith Holden book, which I've just cut out and stitched around. And then there's just some torn paper on the back that's been stitched and inked up. So I've used tea-dye paper. There's also some parchment paper here, and I've also printed off some of the tags on vellum as well. So I just fussy cut that from a kit. I'm not quite sure, I can't remember what digital kit that is. Some notebook paper. This is some accounting type paper. This is one of the bookmarks that comes with the kit. Another journal card. I think these might be from Christie Art Design. Some other scrapbook paper that I just got out of my stash. Little fabric ruffle here with another card, and these all had a piece that you could back onto it as well. some book pages from a bird book, some blank music sheet paper. This is one of the Edith Holden pages. That's just one of my little journal cards that I cut out in a shape and stitch. I've also done some very faded stamping, sort of script stamping. I also pulled out some die cuts that I had. These are not die cuts that I actually have, not dies rather, that I actually have, but there's some die cuts that I bought a long time ago, and I thought I would use them. So I've just inked them up with one of the Tim Holtz Distress inks, another one of those cards. That's just a stitched pocket. This is some paper from a flower book. That's another one from the kit, and this has specimen tag number. So this could well be used as a nature journal if you're collecting specimens and you want to write them down. Just a little ticket there stapled on. It's another one of my little shaped cards that I've just stitched. And here I've just cut another piece from the Edith Holden book, stitched that on into a pocket. It's a flip out. Some of these are from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. I think they're from the Whimsy and Botany kit. And this is from the Whimsy and Botany kit. And this has been printed onto parchment paper. Just another little piece there. Pocket here. It's a tea-dyed index card. And another little journal card. And then these are some envelope booklets that I've been making, and if you follow me on Instagram you probably will have seen them. I've been inspired by Tracy Fox and a lot of other people that are making these types of envelopes. Mine is not as distressed as some of the others that I've seen. This one is just a book page from a nature book, and I've just torn some paper, glued that on. This is a Tim Holtz die cut, just a little piece of muslin that I've ruffled there. And then if I can get the paper clip off. So this hasn't been closed up, it's just been left open. And then on the inside I've made a little booklet for some extra journaling. Just a few extra little pages. Just a little bit of secret journaling that you could do in there. I've also put some thick cartridge paper in the middle, so you could use that for sketching. And then you could just seal it all up again. And I've just clipped that in the top here with one of these butterfly binder clips. So this is another tag from the kit. Just a little Tim Holtz piece of ephemera. This is a lovely postcard. It hasn't been stamped or anything or written on, but you could use that for some journaling. Just a little tuck here with a couple more tags. That's parchment paper. Just get a tag out. This is a... Sorry about that, I think my phone cut out there. Anyway, this is the last page. So yeah, this is a muslin that I've made into a ruffle, stitched it on there, a piece of Tim Holtz ephemera and a little tag. And that's the back, and then this is a nice book plate that I found online which I'll just put on the back. And there we go, that's the journal. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for coming over to my channel and supporting me. I really do appreciate all the comments and everything that I get. I probably will be doing a giveaway pretty soon. I think I'm at nearly 2,000 subscribers. So hopefully I've got lots more things planned for this year for lots of videos, and I'm hoping to do some more tutorials. One of the things that I'll just quickly show you, a new series that I'm thinking of that I am going to bring out is I'm going to be making some of these big hardcover books. And this is a 9x6 with a 2-inch spine. I haven't got the signatures in this yet. Haven't had time to get much done yet. But this is going to be called the Vintage Treasure Book series, and these will probably be books that they'll be very vintage themed, and they'll probably have lots of writing space in them. They'll probably have some light embellishing in them. I'm probably going to be doing fabric covers on these. This is some tea-dyed fabric, and if you follow me on Instagram, I have already shared a picture of this. So, and I've got the signatures inside, so hopefully I'll have this done pretty soon now, and be able to show you a video very soon. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you that, so what I'm working on at the moment. So, okay, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.